उत्साहवर्धकाय नमः.
Utsahavardhakaya namaha. Increasing, ever increasing inspiration. He inspired everyone, whoever approached him. It was so inspiring to walk the spiritual path around him. He gave us the encouragement. He'll come and surcharge our mind intellect to joyfully, cheerfully walk the spiritual path. Because to walk the spiritual path, the spiritual life, is it a very joyous life? Look at the Mathadipati's pictures. Have you seen Mathadipati pictures? Anybody joyously, cheerfully smiling? Very serious. Because serious means you're Mathadipati. Isn't it? And Gurudev was smiling and laughing away. One picture, this Adi Shankara's picture is so beautiful, isn't it? In one place, there was an Adi Shankara picture, very sad. So sad. So somebody asked me, Swamiji, why is Shankara's picture so sad? Shankara was not sad. The painter who painted it, he painted his mood into that. But there are Swamiji, why Adi Shankara is sad? I said, perhaps he is sad because he was writing our biography. When he was writing the biography of us, because he was writing our biography, the biography of all of us. Do you know your biography? He was writing the biography. At that time, maybe somebody took the picture. What was he sad about? Parame Brahmani Kopina Sakta. Parabrahma, the supreme consciousness. Nobody is turning their attention unto the supreme consciousness, Chinmaya. Nobody is turning. Then what are they doing? Balastavat, Krida Sakta. When they are in the childhood, Krida Sakta, Toys R Us. In the childhood, Toys R Us. Okay, they became a teenager. Tarunastavat, youth. Taruna, youthful. Taruni Sakta. Taruni means? Don't pretend that you don't know. Taruna means youthful boy. Taruni. So Taruna means young boy. Taruni means young girl. Young fellow, young felly. Tarunastavat, during the youthful age. Dating. Vruddhastavat. Vruddhavastha. You got that, what is that? Vanaprastha book. Swamiji, we got it. You got it. Oh, Swamiji, I didn't open the plastic cover yet. When will you open? देखेंगे स्वामी जी जब time मिलेगा. Isn't it? Vruddhastavat, in old age, what is the preoccupation? Balastavat, total preoccupation, Krida. Games and Toys R Us. Tarunastavat, preoccupation, dating. Vruddhastavat, in old age, what is the preoccupation? Chinta Sakta. Chinta. What the first starting point of Chinta? The day I married this, all my shani has come. The day I married this, who is saying? Who is saying? I didn't say husband. Anybody can say. The husband can say the day I married this. The wife also can say the day I married this. Idi, they say in Telugu. Idai, Telugu, Tamil. The day I married this, all my, from marriage onwards. Somebody asked me, Swamiji, why do they hold hands in marriage? They hold hands, Oh, it's a tradition. What tradition? Like in the boxing, before they start, they hold hands. They hold hands before, and then ting the bell, and then starts. It's a tradition that we are following. So, vruddhastavat chinta sakta. And Shankara is so sad. Why? Parame Brahmani, the supreme Brahman, the pure consciousness, Chinmaya, Kopina Sakta. Nobody is attached to that. What a sad situation. That is why he is sad. So write this verse below and keep it so that if somebody has a doubt why he is sad, then they will read this with the meaning, English meaning also. But somebody asked Swamiji, Shankara is so glorious in his vocabulary. When he is so glorious, why did he use only one word? What one word? Balastavat krida sakta. Tarnastavat taruni sakta. Vruddhastavat chinta sakta. Parame brahmani kopina sakta. Sakta, 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 sakta. Why, Swamiji? Why didn't he use different words? Because in the olden days, it was only through word of mouth. So maybe it was difficult to communicate different words. So they said, let us put at least one word majority can remember. So there is another Pata Beda, the different reading. Balastavat krida sakta. Tarunastavat taruni rakta. Rakta means reveling. Yesterday they got 1 hour extra. They remember the standard time in memory. That, what other one? Spring forward. Conveniently forget. Isn't it? So, Balastavat krida sakta. Tarunastavat taruni rakta. Vruddhastavat chinta magna. Parame brahmani kopina lagna. See that beautiful? Sakta, rakta, magna, lagna. So there are readings that way. So this is the condition. Therefore, he said, don't think Shankara is sad because of himself. That's why see our class, because you come Sunday class and all. Therefore, this Shankara we have. If you did not come, then he also will become sad. So utsaha. How many devotees just want to sit in his presence, to bask in his, they felt so encouraged. I used to, every morning, 4 o'clock, I used to get up at 3 because the enthusiasm, because I get to see him at 4. From morning 4 to 4:55. Morning. Every day he'll come out 5 minutes to 4. And 4 o'clock to 4:55, I could sit and he'll be writing letters. Thousands of letters. At 5 minutes to 5, 4:55, I'll get up and do namaskar because 5 o'clock is the Vedic chanting. So when I'm doing namaskar, you look, Vedic chanting. So I'll be going. And he will come at 5:30 for conducting the guiding meditation. He'll be still writing. And I go for Vedic chanting. So many letters. He wrote me when I wanted to go to Uttarkashi. So I wrote Swamiji. Swamiji lived there for 9 years in Uttarkashi. May I live for at least 9 months? I wrote. And Swamiji did not, generally immediately he will reply. He did not reply. Because he was coming the same week to the ashram. And the moment he saw me, you want to go for 9 months? You will die there. And all others are watching. What happened? Go for 1 month. Where and all, nobody knows. Because I and he knows. Go for 1 month. I said, yeah, because once Gurudev says what, you don't question. Yes, sir. Then a thought came in my mind. Swamiji, can I go for 41 days? That's like a mandalam. 41 days. He also thought. Thought for a few seconds. And then, okay, 41 days. So happy. When I reached there only, I could realize, And before I reach there, the very next week I get the letter. Before I go to Uttarkashi, the letter. What? Morning, do Sahasra Gayatri Mantra Japa. 1,000 times Gayatri Japa in the morning. Do Gayatri Japa. 1,000 times. Afternoon, then go for Bhiksha. Then in the afternoon, after the Bhiksha, read the scriptures. And the late evening, reflect upon the scriptures. This is the schedule. Early morning, 1,000 times Gayatri Japa. Then go for Bhiksha. Then come back with the Bhiksha, eat the Bhiksha, and then read the scriptures, Swadhyaya. Then reflect upon the scriptures late evening, because you don't need to use the light also. This is the schedule. And when I reached Uttarkashi, then the Bhiksha, when I go for the Bhiksha Kshetra, through the window they give, all Swamis will be standing in a line, and through the line you go, and they give, like Washington Post he gave me. Chapati. Like what? Literally like that much size. So I took the Washington Post. I said, Itna nahi chahiye, I said. I don't know what he understood, my Hindi. Utna hi denge, he said. He thought I'm asking for more. Then I gave a steel kamandalu. Steel kamandalu. In that he'll put dal. And the dal will be pure Ganges turmeric water. And the dal, if you get 6 dal in that, then you got Shat Sampatti. With that dal and Washington Post coming. I thought, this much, how can I eat and all? Then I saw a cow coming. I thought I can share it with the cow. And when I took out the style section from the Washington Post and then showed it to the cow came with so much utsaha, so much eagerness. The cow came and it came near me and then smelt it, and the way he turned his face and went. I couldn't believe it. Turned his face and then looked back and said, my grass is better. When I ate that chapati only, I knew how horrible. That's why he told before in the letter, eat 1 meal a day. When you eat 1 meal a day, then what will happen? Even paper towel soaked in water, you will eat. So I could eat that. Terrible. Nowadays people give me bhiksha. Some people do give like that only. And I don't even have a cow to share. I don't tell them because they will feel bad. Because I'm used to that Uttarkashi style. Since I'm used to it, so it chalega. Isn't it? So, when the letter came to me, because of the letter, the utsaha to do 1,000 times Gayatri Mantra and read the scriptures in the afternoon, reflect upon it in the late evening. Utsaha. And one devotee, she must be a teenager. She wrote to Gurudev, Swamiji, my mother is so cruel, like all mothers. My mother is so cruel. I wanted my room painted blue color. My mom says, if you want, you paint it. I'm not going to ask give the contract to any painter. You want it, you do it. So Swamiji, so cruel my mom, now I am painting my room with blue. Swamiji, I am very tired. So Swamiji writes to her, Do you know that when you paint and beautify the within, do you know that when you paint and beautify the within, you will never feel the fatigue? It is enjoyable, and once painted in beautiful Krishna color. See that? Do you know when you paint and beautify the within, not your room, within, you will never feel the fatigue. It is enjoyable, and once painted in beautiful Krishna color, you need not repaint your mind. Need not repaint the mind. All that you need to do is daily dusting with Shravana, Swadhyaya, Manana, Nididhyasa. And once a year on Krishna Ashtami day, Krishna Janmashtami day, you only to wash the walls with the soap of fasting and devotion. Jai Shri Krishna. Because she is a Gujarati girl. Isn't it? And she was so inspired, and she never felt the fatigue, and she was painting her room blue color, imagining that she's painting within her own mind in Krishna color. That's Utsaha Vardhakaya Namaha. Om Utsaha Vardhakaya Namaha.